Join me as I take on the challenge of uncovering the best-kept secrets for a stress-free vacation. Can I really find the ultimate tips to relax and recharge? The concept of a stress-free vacation sounds like a myth, something that only a few lucky ones get to experience. But what if I told you that it's not just about luck, but about knowing the right secrets to make your travel experience truly unforgettable? We've all been there. Planning a vacation that's supposed to be relaxing but ends up being a stress-filled nightmare. From packing and travel logistics to unexpected incidents and last-minute changes, it's no wonder many of us return from our vacations feeling more drained than refreshed. The truth is, most people don't know how to plan and prepare for a stress-free vacation. They get caught up in the excitement of exploring a new destination and forget to take care of themselves in the process. Take packing, for example. It's amazing how something as simple as packing can turn into a major source of stress. From deciding what to bring to making sure everything fits in our luggage, it's a daunting task that can leave us feeling frustrated and overwhelmed. And then there's the travel itself. Long flights, delayed connections, and lost luggage are just a few of the many things that can go wrong. As if that's not enough, unexpected incidents can always pop up and ruin our plans. Whether it's a sudden rainstorm or a last-minute cancellation, it's essential to be prepared for anything that comes our way. The good news is that there are ways to minimize these stressors and make your vacation truly enjoyable. Tip 1. One of the most effective strategies for reducing stress is to plan ahead. By doing your research and booking your flights, accommodations, and activities in advance, you can avoid many of the last-minute hassles that can cause anxiety. Tip 2. Another key tip is to prioritize relaxation techniques such as meditation and deep breathing to help you stay calm and centered in the midst of chaos. Tip 3. Travel hacks can also go a long way in reducing stress. From packing cubes to portable chargers, there are many tools and gadgets that can make your travel experience more efficient and enjoyable. By incorporating these strategies into your travel routine, you can say goodbye to stress and hello to relaxation. 4. But there's one secret that stands out above the rest. One that has the power to dramatically change how you experience your vacation. It's not about what you pack or how you plan, but about your mindset. The most crucial thing you can do to ensure a stress-free vacation is to let go of your need for control. When you accept that things won't always go as planned, you open yourself up to a world of possibilities and experiences. 5. By embracing the unknown and being flexible, you can turn what would have been a disaster into an adventure. You can laugh off unexpected incidents and see the humor in them. You can connect with locals and fellow travelers on a deeper level. And you can return from your vacation feeling refreshed, renewed, and inspired. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to a stress-free vacation. By incorporating these strategies into your travel routine, you can say goodbye to stress and hello to relaxation. Remember, it's not about the destination, but about the journey. And with the right mindset, you can turn any vacation into a memorable and stress-free journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your own vacation stress experiences. And if you're looking for more travel tips and stress management advice, be sure to check out our next video.